Hello everyone, welcome back again to Lydia's kitchen. My name is Lydia and I hope you all are doing well. In today's video we are going to be preparing authentic Ghana roadside waakye and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Delicious Ghana roadside waakye. I also have a full recipe on how I prepared the waakye stew, the fish, the fried eggs and all the other accompaniments, so you can kindly check it out on my channel. So let's get started. So for this recipe I'm using 2 cups of beans and I've already soaked the beans for about 1 hour. So I'm going to go ahead and wash and rinse the beans before boiling. Next, I'm going to transfer the beans into a boiling water and I'll be boiling it for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's halfway cooked. And I'll add the blended sorghum leaves or waakye leaves. And if you haven't watched it, I posted it before this video, how I prep and store the waakye leaves. And at this point, the beans is half cooked, so I'll now add in the sorghum leaves or blended waakye leaves. Next, I'm adding in 3 cups of jasmine rice. To it, I'll add 2 tablespoons of cold pressed coconut oil for flavor. And 1 tablespoon of vegetable seasoning. I'll stir it very well, cover and let it cook on a low heat for about 15 minutes until it's well cooked. I will now cover it with a cling foil to help the heat cook it very well. So it has been cooking for a while now. I'll now stir it again and cover it and let it cook for another few minutes. And this waakye is looking very colorful and smelling so good. And it's popping. This is authentic Ghana roadside waakye. And I hope you are enjoying this recipe at this point. And please consider subscribing if you haven't done so, like and also share. Just look at this beautiful waakye, it's almost done. So I'll continue to stir it and cook on a low heat until it's well cooked. And at this point, our Ghana roadside waakye is all done and ready to be served. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. And it's not waakye without all the waakye accompaniments. So I have here my waakye stew with all the meats and all the goodies, my fried fish and fried eggs, my gari, my salad, spaghetti, shito, and it's all ready. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. I also have a full recipe on how I prepared the waakye stew, the fish, the eggs, and all the accompaniments. So you can go back and watch it if you haven't done so. So thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Have a blessed week in my next video. Until then, bye.